In this video, I will guide you through how to install WhatsApp on your PC and link it with your mobile phone step by step. First, I open Microsoft Store from my desktop. After that, the Microsoft Store interface opened. I clicked on the search bar, typed WhatsApp, and pressed enter. The official WhatsApp application appeared at the top of the search results. I clicked on WhatsApp. Then I clicked on the install button. After waiting for a short time, WhatsApp was successfully installed on my computer. Next, I clicked on the open button. Now the WhatsApp interface opened on my PC. There was a login button on the screen. I clicked on login. After that, a QR code was generated on my computer screen. You can also link WhatsApp using your phone number, but in this video, I used the QR code method. Next, I opened WhatsApp on my mobile phone. Then I tapped on the three dots in the top right corner. A drop-down menu appeared. From there, I selected linked devices. After that, I tapped on link a device. Now my mobile phone camera opened automatically. Then I pointed my mobile camera toward the QR code displayed on my computer screen and scanned it. Within a few seconds, my WhatsApp account was successfully linked and logged in on my PC. All my chats, contacts, and WhatsApp data started appearing on the computer. After that, I changed the linked device name according to my preference from my mobile phone. And just like that, I successfully connected my mobile WhatsApp account to my computer. Now I can send and receive messages, view status updates, make calls, and use WhatsApp directly from my PC. And that is how you can install and link WhatsApp on your computer using a QR code step by step. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials.